Sherry, you have this honey-glazed chicken, and we're going to do a honey-blazed chicken, if you're okay with that. Okay. And you're going to help me out, all right?
Oh, okay.
So, first of all, your recipe's got a lot of big flavors. You're going to help me season it. This is a pound of chicken.
Yes.
Season it! You seem surprised, Sherry. You seem surprised.
Season?
Yes, okay.
So you're going to know how much.
Right, so here's what you want to do. So I like to get up high with the salt, and this is a pound of chicken. And if you don't mind a little bit of cleanup, you want to get the salt, you want it to rain over the top of your chicken like that, right?
Wow.
And then
Can you handle this?
and then a little bit of white pepper. This is a little bit of five spice. You want to smell that?
Wow.
Yeah, it smells good. It's great for poultry. Sometimes it's used on duck, and we'll put a little bit of the five spice on that. Flipping it over, because now you're going to get, you don't know how much salt to use, but go ahead. You're going to salt the other side, right?
Other side.
Season the other side, just like I did that.
Rain on it.
Okay, there we go. Exactly. Throw it, Sherry. Throw it down, Sherry. You want to throw the salt on it. Get the seasoning going. Okay, put the white pepper on there. Okay, now over here, this is the key over here, Sherry. You don't want to set the smoke detector off, but you got a hot pan. I have a little bit of sesame oil. Sesame is going to work really great in this recipe, right? And then once I see a little bit of smoke, that's important, then I'm going to, this is where I don't talk for a second. And that's what you're looking for, a little bit of culinary ASMR, the searing of the chicken, So that chicken's going to go in there. Now we're gonna make the marinade, Sherry. Okay, you're going to do it. Orange juice, and we measured it. Measuring it. It's whatever it says there. It's a little bit over a half of a cup.
So you agreed with the orange juice?
I love the orange. I love the recipe, Sherry. Your recipe is there. The recipe is there. I also love the fact that you honestly.
She's trying to help you find a little balance.
And I love. I'm not measuring this, which is kind of contradicting what I just said. But here's what I love about it: cook with instinct. Well, what we're looking for here is just a balance of sweet and salty, right?
Yes.
So I got about 3 tablespoons of soy in there.
Okay.
All right, and then a little bit of the honey. You want to put some of this honey in there as well, and just don't go too crazy. Okay, Sherry. Okay. No, it's okay. That's a little more. Rach, you got it. Okay,
Sherry.
Put the honey away, Sherry. Okay. You also will notice, Sherry, by the way, your recipe is delicious, but we have omitted the apricot jam. It's like a surprise twist. Okay.
You don't need jam if you have honey.
All right, here we go. Listen, the chicken comes out of the pan.
But it's 3 different. She just said it's from her brisket recipe. But that's 3 sugars in 1 dish pumpkin.
Yes, that's true.
And we're trying to balance, not
You are.
all over.
I have the chicken over here. It's been browned, right? Wow. Comes out of the pan, and in the same pan, I'm adding ginger, garlic, scallions.
They're best friends. They love being together.
And some red chili flakes. So you're just adding a couple of ingredients, right? Again, this is like the holy trinity of Chinese cuisine. Ginger, garlic, scallions.
Those are the 3 best friends. They're always together.
Scallions
and garlic.
Chicken goes back in. Sherry, chicken goes back in, right? And now, all of a sudden, we're going to take that marinade. Right, we're going to add that to cover up our chicken, right? Put that right in the pan.
Oh, my God.
And this is what you're doing at home, by the way. It's really just one additional step. Okay. We added a couple of spices, and we seared the chicken first instead of second. And now we're going to pop that in the oven.
Sear the chicken on mine.
All right, we're going to pop that
right in. No, you have to sear the chicken. You really do.
You want to sear the chicken, so that way it's not limp.
Right.
You know, it's like nice and crispy.
Remember you said you had the limpy skin problem or whatever?
Yeah.
I didn't say it, she did.
No, I know.
Anyway, here we go.
Look at that.
Oh, my God.
Look at that, everyone. Look what's going on here. I'm going to go right there. Thank you, Rach.
Oh, my God.
Thank you so much.
That's my recipe?
We're gonna, that's your recipe. Well, I mean, it's our recipe now, Sherry. It's our recipe. You want to put the chicken onto the plate.
There's nothing wrong with steamed broccoli, right?
Nothing wrong with steamed broccoli. Matter of fact, I love that the broccoli and the rice are so simple because this has got so much flavor in it. Right? So much flavor in it.
Oh, my God.
Look at that, right? Now you can add that beautiful green broccoli on top. And then a little bit of toasted sesame seeds over the top.
Did you toast them?
Oh, no, you can buy them.
You buy them
toasted sesame.
You buy them toasted.
There we go.
Oh, my God, that's
all right, jump in, Sherry.
Get in there,
Jump in, Sherry.
Girl.
I want to.
Taste it.
Yeah.
Taste it.
I can smell it. If it smells good, it's going to taste good. You know that.
Wow.
And it looks tender.
Oh, my God.
Is it good?
Oh, my God. Yes. The chicken part of it tastes amazing.
Okay, because you got to sear it first. You got to season it, Sherry.
So much. Oh, my God, Sherry.
You did it. You did it. So much.